left and right, left and right, left and right, rip it, rip it.
Hello everybody, if you're watching this video, then you can tell by the title that I'm going to show you how to make the best chicken in the world. Excuse my hand. Well, according to me and like my family, I came up with this recipe. It's not really a recipe, but I'm gonna show you what I do to make my chicken, and it's kind of like my hand's in the way. It's kind of like a sweet, chili, Caribbean jerk citrus chicken blend, and it's really good. So I'm gonna flip the camera and I'm gonna show you what I use. I'm not using my tripod because I just okay, we're gonna start. Let's go. If you hear something in the background, my mom is watching TV. She's watching Harriet, and she's also on the phone. So if you hear that, then ignore it. Okay, so first things first, you have to have your chicken. I have these little chicken tenderloin type thingies that I got from Walmart, and you have to wash them and make sure they're clean because you don't want any dirty chicken, and drain the water as best you could. This is as good as I can get, but the water keeps coming, so it's okay. So what you're gonna need is first most important things is the sauces. And this is one of my favorite sauces. You need sweet chili sauce, and this is the kind that I use, the Panda Express kind. Yeah, so we have this. This is a brand new bottle that I just bought because I ran out of the other one I had. And you need some Caribbean jerk sauce. Now this is the Buffalo Wild Wings one, and it was actually like it was like right here where the barcode is left with sauce. So I bought this Caribbean jerk marinade, Caribbean style jerk marinade sauce that I poured in a bottle and mixed it with it, because it's basically the same thing, basically. It tastes similar or the same seasonings and whatnot. So yeah, this is the great value can, because I couldn't find a Buffalo Wild Wing one at Walmart yesterday, so I got this kind. So it'll do. It's still the same thing basically. So those are the sauces that you need. You need Caribbean jerk and you need sweet chili sauce. As far as the seasonings go, this is my favorite seasoning. One of my favorite seasonings ever. It's Mojo Rub Citrus Blend by Badia. It's like got like garlic, onions, pepper, lemon, and orange. So yeah, it's all purpose. It's really good. I put this on my fries. I love putting this on my fries. And it makes chicken even better. I have garlic powder. You always need garlic powder. I have onion powder. I have some ginger. You don't need ginger, and I haven't actually used ginger in this before, but I'm gonna sprinkle a little bit because I love ginger, and I think it will, give it a little extra flavor. I think this season might already have ginger in it, but I don't know. And then we have some Go Creole seasoning. You can also use Tony Chachere's. Like, those are like Cajun seasonings. We have Tony Chachere's. This is one that I found. I mean, Tony Chachere's is like the essential brand when it comes to seasoning your food, aside from like salt and pepper. But yeah. And so that's what I have. And the last thing I have is my last little bit of orange honey. Now this is essential. Orange blossom raw honey. Flip it like this. This is essential. It gives it the sweet. It adds a little bit more sweet to it, and it gives it the orange taste. And we have an orange. What kind of orange I usually use is navel oranges, but I didn't have any navel oranges. This is the only orange I had in my refrigerator. I don't even know what kind of orange it is, but I tasted it and it's, it's sweet enough. I got it when I ordered something from Tropical Smoothie a while ago, and it's still good. So I was like, yeah, sweet. Why not use it? So there we go. We're gonna start and show you how I do the chicken. Okay, so I drain some more water as much as I can, and first thing we're going to do is we're going to season our chicken. Okay, I opened all of my containers. we're gonna take our citrus blend and we're gonna sprinkle it generously. Hold on, let me switch hands because I'm right-handed. Oop. Switch. Do. We need enough. Then we add our onion. So you're just gonna add all your seasoning. Okay. Now you don't have to add the Creole seasoning or 20 sachets or whatnot, but I add it to give it a little bit of spice, you know. So we're gonna sprinkle that in. And yeah. And then we're gonna spread our orange juice on it. Now make sure you take the seeds out of it if it have seeds in it, because you don't want to be eating chicken and all of a sudden you taste seeds. So we're gonna, yeah, that's half of an orange. And then another orange, another half orange, all the orange juice. And we're gonna take our honey and put it in next. I didn't open the honey. Okay. No, trust me, what you gonna find his own. He ain't gonna stop. I told y'all I'm at the end. Now I'm making chicken and potatoes. So this is a lot of chicken because I have a lot of people in my family. Okay. That's as much as we're gonna get out of there right now. So what you want to do is you want to mix it. You can mix it with a spoon, but you can also mix it with your hand.
So we're gonna get in here and mix the chicken. Make sure all the chicken has seasoning on it. And if you didn't really want seasoning, you put some more seasoning on it. So yeah, we're gonna. But you don't really need as much seasoning because you are also putting the sauces on it. So maybe don't put too much seasoning.
So here's our chicken after we done mixing the seasoning in. Everything is all coated. But if you, well, I should be saying, if you don't have the citrus blend, if you can't find it in your local Walmart, because I got it from Walmart, then make sure you use the orange and use garlic and onion powder in it. So yeah, next we're gonna go with the sauces. Now I'm gonna pour a generous amount of each one, and I'll be right back. That's about how much I put in each. You know, each one was full, so I used about that much. And here is it. And then you just mix it together.
And just mix it together. It's all about mixing and getting everything coated just right. Now this is very, very, not really gross, but it gets your hands dirty. So yeah. And instead of cooking it in the air fryer like I used to do, well, I can't put it, here. I'm gonna put it on a grease pan and I'm gonna put it in the oven. So that way it can cook all together, you know, at once. So here it is, and I'm gonna transfer it to the pan, and yeah, be right back.
Okay, so I have my pan, and I already put oil at the bottom of it so it won't stick. You can see some stuff already started sticking to it from previous uses, but it's clean, so don't worry about that. So what you're gonna do is you're just gonna pour your chicken on the tray. Oh, doing this with one hand. So how this goes. Okay, now you just spread the chicken out. Make sure that everything has its own place on the pan. Yeah, and there you go. And basically, the last thing you do is sprinkle just a little bit more of your citrus blend on top, so it get like a crust when it's cooking in the oven. There you go. Then we wait for the oven to preheat and we put it in the oven. So I just took the chicken out the oven and it's been cooking for 30 minutes. And look how beautiful it looks. Look at that. Look at that. It looks amazing. And I'm cooking potatoes right now. I had to peel them and had to peel them and put them in the pot so they're boiling. So I'm gonna have chicken, potatoes, and probably some corn. So yeah, be back when I fix a plate. Quick insertion in my video. I wanted to show y'all the cake that I made. It's a chocolate cake with chocolate icing. That looks so delicious. Ah! There's nothing on it. But yeah. This is for dessert. And I'm almost done cooking. So I'll be back when I finish. The potatoes are still boiling. So when I fix the plate, then I'll show y'all. Okay. Okay, everybody. So here is the finished plate. We have chicken, we have corn, and potatoes. The potatoes are actually seasoned. Just that I didn't put any milk in them because I didn't have any milk. But they got like garlic powder, onion powder, and salt and pepper on them. And it tastes real good. We have our corn, we have our amazing chicken. So thank you for watching my video. And I hope you make the chicken. And yeah, bye bye.
Pasó.